Hello everyone, how are you all? So let's continue our journey with sounds today. But before starting, let me tell you the meaning of Deutschland. Meaning of Deutschland is Germany. Let's start now. Our next alphabet is A. A sounds like E as in elephant. And German translation of elephant is elephant. Same as in English, only pronunciation is different. Next alphabet is F. F sounds like F as in fish. And German translation is fish. Only spellings are different, pronunciation is same. Next alphabet is G. G sounds like G as in go. And German word for G is Giraffe. Giraffe means giraffe. Spellings are same, only pronunciation is different. Next alphabet is H. H sounds like